How's it going, guys? My name is Frank, and this one right here is Daniel, my little brother, and welcome to my channel. You may wondering why the video is starting like this today. It's because I lost some footage. Unfortunately, by accident I deleted some footage of this video that I'm uploading today. But in this episode I will be showing you guys how to fix leaks on your valve cover gasket, so stay tuned. If you're liking my videos, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell to get notifications when I post new videos, and share the videos with your friends. So cheers. So as I told you before, guys, my car is leaking here on the top cover. As you can see, it has a bit of sweat here in the cover, so I will be fixing this leak right here on the back. I don't know if you can see it, but it's worse. The inner gaskets are bad, so in order to do that you will have to take off your top cover. I have already did that, and you have to take off your coil packs and all the wiring. You have to take out and disconnect everything. So you have also to disconnect this PCV valve and also the heater line. So you take that off and it should be fine. Then you have those bolts here. I think they are 8 bolts or 6, 3 on this side and 3 on that side, and 1 here on front. So I have to take them off. So okay guys, after taking off the old bolts, you will be able to take out the cover. As you can see here, the cover is off. As you might see here, so this is the cover right there. Of course, our gasket is here. I will try to take that off, and those are the inner gaskets. Okay, now what I have to do is to clean up a bit the area. And as you can see here, I have this gasket maker, and I will be using this to make sure that I fulfill the corners are the most parts that they start leaking. Quick update here. I have just thrown up this rocket to take out the sparking plugs because they were very tightened. Now I will take them off and make sure that I clean the area because it's full of oil. Okay guys, as you can see here, they were folded with oil. So now it's time to clean them up. Okay guys, I tried to clean as much I could, and this is how it looks now. Now it's time to put the gasket maker and wait 10 minutes to let it dry, and then put back the cover. Okay, so just a quick tip, I have the silicone ready here, so always make sure that you start here on the top because we have less possibilities to get leaks from here. So let's make sure that we start from here and go around till we meet here back. Okay guys, quick update here. As you can see, I've put the silicone all the way even back there, and now we have to wait 5 minutes to let it dry a bit, then we will put the cover on.
5 minutes later.
Okay guys, now we have everything. The silicone is dry, so now to move on and put the cover back. Make sure that we put the gasket back here on the top cover and make sure that it fits all around. Yeah, perfect. Okay, now it's time to put back the cover. Everything is back here. So guys, I am alone. I will have to stop recording and fasten it, then I will show you. As you can see guys, the cover is back. Now it's time to put back the bolts, as you can see there, and we will have to do it in a H pattern. We will have to bolt it in a H pattern. So as you guys can see, the rain catch me by surprise, but I did everything that I could to close the car, and yeah, tomorrow is another day and I will do the rest tomorrow. Alright guys, it's Sunday and I have to finish the job. As you saw yesterday, it was raining, so I couldn't finish the job. So even today the skies shows up like it's gonna rain, but I hope it doesn't rain. But there is not too much job left to do, so let's go ahead and try to finish them and start the car and see how it runs. Alright, so I left it here yesterday. Since it started raining, I've just grabbed everything that I could. That's why the car is looking like this, with a lot of mess here inside. Yeah, so I will take everything off and try to resume where I stopped yesterday. Okay, so this is how I left the car yesterday. As you can see, yes, the sealant is now dried. I mean, it looks like rubber now, because they say it takes 10 hours to be like this, 10 to 12 hours to dry like this, to become a rubber, to seal as you expect. So everything looks nice now. It's time to put back to tighten the sparks and insert the coil packs to make sure that everything looks nice and clean.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, I think I have everything back on place. I have done all the electronics, the VVI connectors, the coil packs, the fork are connected, the injectors are back connected, I got the heater hose connected, the VVT, the camshaft sensor connected. Yes, I think I got everything back to where it should. So I think it's now time to start it up and see how it runs. Hope it runs. Now it's time to start it up. Right, she's alive. Alright guys, as you can see, we have the engine running. Yeah, I think that you did a great job. Now it's time to put back the black top and bolt everything down here, and this is good to go. Alright folks, has been past 4 or 6 weeks since I've done this job, and this is how the engine is looking now. I've been expecting the gaskets, and as you can see, I have 0 leaks. Everything is dry. I can pass my hand without getting any dip of oil. Here back also, everything looks fine. I don't know if you can see it, but right here is where the cover sits on the back, and here too, here on this side too. You can try to see from here. As you can see from here, it's closed, it's dry. Here on this side too, everything looks good and dry. So that's it, guys. Everything looks nice, and I've been driving the car since then, and I have 0 leaks issues on the top cover. So thumbs up. Yeah, so that's it, folks. As you can see, the car is driving very well. I have 0 leaks issues on the valve cover. So now it's time to you to start thinking and check if you can fix yourself instead of paying a mechanic a lot of money that you will be paying in a mechanic for simple things. And you can save that money, for example, to buy tools that you can use on your own car for other stuffs. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please do not forget to leave a like, leave a comment if you have any question, and share the video with your friends, and hit the bell notifications to get notifications when I post new videos. And please consider subscribe to the channel. So that's it. See you next time. Peace.